Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a grid for photography. Activating your camera's grid overlay is the first step to enhancing your images. This simple tool helps you apply fundamental compositional principles, like the rule of thirds, to create more balanced and engaging photographs. By understanding where to place your subjects and align your shots, you can significantly elevate the visual impact of your work, making every picture more compelling. To begin, navigate to your camera's settings menu, whether on a dedicated camera or your smartphone. Look for an option labeled Grid, Composition Lines, or similar. Most devices offer a 3x3 grid, which is ideal for applying the rule of thirds. Enabling this overlay will display faint lines on your screen, guiding your composition without appearing in the final photograph. It's a quick and easy setup. The rule of thirds suggests dividing your image into 9 equal parts using 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines. For a stronger composition, place your main subject along one of these 4 lines, or even better, at one of the 4 points where the lines intersect. This off-center placement creates more visual tension and interest than simply putting your subject in the middle. It's a powerful technique. While the rule of thirds is a fantastic starting point, don't stop there. Explore other compositional guides like the golden ratio, which offers even more harmonious proportions. Use the grid to identify leading lines that draw the viewer's eye through your scene. Remember, these are guidelines, not strict laws. Once you master them, feel free to break them creatively for unique and impactful results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.